The mission of Biz Savvy Artist is to provide tools, resources, training, and support to independent artists and creative professionals so that they can start and grow their businesses. And one of the ways that we do that is through events like this, Biz Savvy Artist Academy, where we connect the artists with tools and resources that they can utilize in their business.
What I'm doing is trying to bring women to the entrepreneur table, trying to support them where they are, trying to meet them where they are.
These women have given a wealth of information. They're all educated. They all have resources or ways that can help artists in this community.
This was a great day, filled with tons of information, everything from learning how to run your business from home.
Ask other content creators what they are not using, that you could take off their hands.
To, algorithmish kind of things.
If there's a good write-up or a good blog about that particular artist, then that ranks your song higher.
And, fundraising.
All government funding should be free to apply. You just have to meet the criteria in order to apply for it.
And we didn't just surface these things, we went in depth. This was a workshop of workshops.
8/21/21 will be the next Biz Savvy Artist Academy, the 8th annual.
If you are not a Biz Savvy artist, you have not been paying attention. I'm just really excited about what we did here today.
Thank you so much to everybody for joining us today. Thank you to everyone on the team. God bless and good night.